In today's video, you will learn how to add audio in CapCut PC. Audio is one of the most important parts of any video because it helps create emotion, improve pacing, and make your content more engaging for viewers. Whether you are adding background music, sound effects, or voiceovers, CapCut gives you several easy ways to work with audio directly inside your project. In this guide, you will learn different methods for adding and editing audio in CapCut PC, so you can improve the overall quality of your videos. One of the easiest ways to add audio is by using the built-in music library. To do this, head over to the top left section and click on Audio. Inside this section, you will find a collection of music tracks that can be added directly into your project. Browse through the available songs and choose one that matches the mood and style of your video. Once you find the track you want, click Download, and then press the plus button to add it to your timeline. After adding the music, you can adjust the volume, trim the length, and reposition the audio so it lines up properly with your video. This is useful for creating smoother edits and making sure the music does not overpower dialogue or important sounds. Another method is adding audio files directly from your computer. To do this, head back to the Media section and locate the audio file you want to use. You can either drag the file directly into the Media area, or use the Import option to locate it manually. Once the audio appears in your media library, drag it down onto your timeline. Just like with built-in music, you can adjust the volume, trim the beginning or ending, and control the exact timing of the audio within your project. This method works great for custom music, downloaded sound effects, podcasts, or any external audio recordings you want to include. CapCut also allows you to record voiceovers directly inside the editor. On the right side of the timeline, you will see a microphone icon. Click it and a recording window will appear where you can choose the microphone you want to use. Once ready, start recording and speak normally while your project plays. When you finish, stop the recording and the audio will automatically appear in your timeline. From there, you can edit it just like any other audio track by adjusting volume and trimming sections if needed. And that is how you add and manage audio in CapCut PC using music, imported files, and voiceover recordings.